It's Ashley here from High Desert Roofing. How's your day going so far?
My day's going well. How's yours?
Awesome, I'm glad to hear that. My day is going great as well. I'm reaching out because you inquired about getting a roof inspection through Facebook. Is now a good time to talk?
Yeah, I've got a few minutes.
Perfect. Before we proceed, could you please confirm the address of the property where you'd like the roof inspection to take place?
Yeah, it's 200 Beale Drive in Bend, Oregon.
And are you currently experiencing any specific issues with your roof, such as leaks, missing shingles, or other damage?
I've got a couple of leaks upstairs.
Got it. Do you know roughly how old your roof is?
I believe it's about 10 years old.
Perfect. Do you know what type of material your roof is made from?
It's just a standard asphalt shingle.
Awesome. Is your home a single or multi-story home?
It's a two-story home.
Got it. Is there a day that works best for one of our roofing specialists to come out and perform the inspection?
Monday or Tuesday would probably be best for me.
And does morning or afternoon work best?
Sometime in the morning. Hello?
We have 2 slots available on Monday, September 9th at 9:00 a.m. or Tuesday, September 10th at 10:30 a.m. Do either of those work for you?
10:30 should be fine.
Perfect. I have your inspection booked for Tuesday, September 10th at 10:30 a.m. Is there any other questions that you have before I let you go?
Yeah, if I end up needing a new roof, can you tell me, what kind of price I'm looking at?
The cost of a new roof can vary widely depending on several factors like the size of the roof, the materials used, and the complexity of the job. Typically, our customers can expect to pay anywhere from $7,000 to $12,000 for a new roof. We'll be able to provide you with a more accurate estimate after our specialist inspects your roof next week. Does that help give you a general idea of the potential costs?
Yes, it does. And if I decide to move forward, how long is it going to take you guys to get started?
Our current lead time for starting a new roof project is about 5 to 7 days after the initial inspection. That gives us time to order any necessary materials and get your project scheduled. Once we start, we can typically complete the full roof replacement in 1 to 3 days, depending on the size and complexity. Does that timeline work for your needs, or would you need something faster?
No, that should work fine.
Perfect. I'm glad the timeline works for you. Is there anything else I can help with before we wrap up the call today?
No, I think you've answered all my questions.
Thanks for your time, John. Have a great day.